Total nitrogen analyzer installation and commissioning demonstration. First, you can choose to place it on a table or mount it on the wall. After placing, open the cover. Inside, there is an instruction manual and 2 accessories. This is the pure water bucket used for distilled water. These 2 are the cleaning solution bucket and the waste liquid bucket. Before use, drill a hole in each lid for tubing. Place the distilled water bucket, waste liquid bucket, and cleaning solution bucket back into position. Next, cut off all the cable ties on the tubes. Each tube has a corresponding label. These 3 tubes are the waste liquid tube, cleaning solution tube, and water sample tube. Pass the cleaning solution tube and waste liquid tube through here. Put the waste liquid tube into the waste liquid bucket. Put the cleaning solution tube into the cleaning solution bucket. Connect the water sample tube to the water sample to be tested on site, not demonstrated here. These are the tubes for reagent 1, reagent 2, reagent 3, quality control sample, standard solution, and distilled water. Put the distilled water tube into the distilled water bucket. Note, fill it with distilled water beforehand. Before commissioning, prepare the corresponding reagents and standard solution with lids already drilled. Place the bottles inside the instrument. Put the reagent 1 tube into the reagent 1 bottle. Put the reagent 2 tube into the reagent 2 bottle. Put the reagent 3 tube into the reagent 3 bottle. Insert the standard sample tube into the standard sample bottle. Insert the quality control sample tube into the quality control sample bottle. After installation, connect the power and press the button. Wait for the machine to start up. Next, log in to the device and perform initial setup. First, log in. The device has 2 access levels. Operator, password 1100, which allows data viewing only, no debugging or calibration. The other is administrator access, password 1210. After logging in, enter the maintenance interface. Here, perform a reagent replacement to purge air from the tubing. Select these 3 options and click Execute. Wait about 2 minutes. This step runs automatically. After reagent replacement, select distilled water replacement. Then perform standard solution replacement. The entire process takes 3 to 5 minutes. If no reagent or sample is detected during this phase, an alarm will trigger. After this step, proceed to the second step, calibration. Set the standard solution based on site water quality and provided concentration. Select range 0 to 100 milligrams per liter. Both ends must match. Input standard value 100. Set calibration count 2 for 0 sample, 1 for standard sample. Select Wait for calibration. Click Save and Execute. This step takes approximately 100 minutes. After calibration is completed, you will see the K value, B value, and R value. Under standard conditions, the K value should be around 1 plus or minus 0.1, and the B value should be as close to 0 as possible. Return to the main interface for measurement settings. There are two main modes, offline and online measurement. Online measurement only allows testing of water samples. Offline measurement allows selection of water sample, standard sample, zero sample, and quality control sample. Measurement modes includes hourly, cycle, and maintenance mode. In hourly mode, you can set measurements for any hour of the day. Blue indicates scheduled measurement times. That's gray means no measurement. If the cycle interval is set to 50 minutes, and the first measurement starts at 12 o'clock, the next will start at 12:50. It's recommended that the cycle interval be longer than the full measurement cycle is. If a full cycle takes 47 minutes, set the interval to 48 minutes or more. Measurement values are displayed on the main interface. If the displayed value is outside the selected measurement range, you need to change the range. Click here and select the appropriate range. The total nitrogen analyzer installation and commissioning process demonstration has concluded. Total nitrogen reagent kit contains one instruction sheet. Take out total nitrogen solid reagent 1, total nitrogen solid reagent 2, total nitrogen solid standard substance. Finally, prepare the reagents according to the user manual.